Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 10th lecture of class 2 maths. We have to do this ascending order given on page number 3. Now in ascending order we have to start from the very smaller number and go to the bigger number. We are provided here with 6 words, so the smallest number given here in this circle is 6. The first number is 6, and if we cut 6 we have only 5 numbers left, and now we have to start comparing values. uh, uh, this number starts with 8, 4 and 3. These are definitely bigger numbers. Now both these numbers are below 20. We have to compare these. Both of these numbers have 1 in common. The first value is 1, so it is common. So if we compare the second number 1 and 7, then we can see that this number is definitely smaller. So we have to write 11 here and cut this number. And as you may recall, we were comparing these two numbers, so this number will be the second, third in order, 17 here. If we cut 17 here, we have only 3 numbers left, like 32, 49 and 82. The first number is 3, 4 and 8, so 32 has the smallest number, so we have to write 32 in the fourth place, climbing from the very first step. 32, sorry. So we have only 2 numbers left, 49 and 82. So the first number is 4 and 8. 4 is definitely much smaller than 8, so 49 is our next number, 49. And the only number left here, 82, will be written on the top, 82. So you have given problems on page number 3. Solve them on your notebooks. Today we will be doing on the ascending order. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.